Kiumia kimwe thutha wa arutwo aria mararikirie kirathi gĩa kanana kwambĩrĩria kuingira form 1, Jackson Mucheru akoretwo akirorera arata ake magĩthiĩ thukuru thutha wake kwaga bithi wa gũthiĩ thukuru uria aretĩtwo wa Moi High School birũrĩ mwena wa Embu kumana na ũkĩa uria ũgũmĩire family yake.
I'm supposed to join Moi High School in Birori, a school at Embu, but financial instabilities at home are denying me the chance of going to that school.
Mucheru na mami wao riu makoretwo makiendia ngwaci na nduuma kĩbarĩ-inĩ kĩmwe mwena wa Githurai 45 itemi-inĩ rĩa gũcaria mbeca cia bithi kuona arahĩtũkĩte na marks 422.
Mimi nimekuwa nikifanya kazi ya biashara ya kuuza nduuma na ngwaci na nina watoto 3 na nimekuwa nikijisimamia na hao watoto wangu, na kijana wangu nimesumbuka na yeye sana tangu utoto. Nimesumbuka na mtoto, tumefanya kazi mpaka kanisani na tumekuwa na challenge mpaka hata kufunguzwa. Tumepeleka hii makaratasi ya huyu mtoto mpaka kwa waitito na sijaona mtu yoyote wa kunisaidia.
Mimi naitwa Ann Wairimu Kenywa na mimi ni mkaaji wa Githurai Kimbo 45 Progressive Area. Na huyu kijana ninamjua for quite a long time, and he's a good man, he's a good boy, he's an active boy. Actually, he did very well in his KCPE. Unfortunately, his parents are not able to take him far.
Thukuru wa Crane mwena wa mwihoko kuria Mucheru arathomagira ni mamutugiritie makiuga ati ona thengia wa Mucheru gukorwo agithoma na mathina maingi ni makeneire kio kiria arari nakio makiuga ati ni arahetukite wega.
So Jackson Mucheru Mbugua has been a pupil in Clan Academy from preschool, if I would say. As a boy I've seen growing all through. I think I started spotting Jackson right from class 5. That is when he started showing a sign of a pupil who has a very bright future, because you could see him very active in co-curricular activities, oral skills. His oral skills were very good. While on parade presenting, you could hear him. It happened that this boy was sponsored by the Pepper Church. So in his lifetime, he could just come to school and nobody could realize that they had a problem with school fees, although I knew the mother. But at class 7, when I realized that now the school fees thing was not coming in, when I followed up, I found out that he was a sponsored pupil by PEFA, and now there was a small problem between the church and the pupil, the parents. So then after finding out, the mother came out so well and explained that the sponsor withdrew the services. In that time when he started now showing signs of being top, he came out clearly and explained to us that even when he goes at home, he does not have enough, paraffin. So we learned that their house, they don't have the paraffin, right? So I can remember there's a time when teachers joined together and bought him this lamp, the one that we charge. Then so he could charge it in school. When he goes home, use it to do homework. Sometimes he leaves it at home, claiming that the mother is using it. So there was that struggle until when they did now their KCPE. When we are now looking for results, that's when we realized that the boy had topped.
Ihoya riao no rimwe Mucheru akorwo agiteithĩrĩrio niguo akorwo agĩthiĩ na mbere na mathomo make kuona arĩ na kĩroto gĩa gũkanatuĩka engineer munene.
Go to that school, I know that I'm going to change my own life, my parents' life, and even my brothers. I know I'm going to lift my family. Please, I'm begging, assist me. Please help me to join the school.
Na mimi huwa tunasaidiana na mama Jack hapa. Na huwa sifurahii hata kidogo wakati huyu mtoto wako hapa, ako na marks mzuri, yenye hata inaweza saidia familia yao kwenda mbali, hata kupata mambo mazuri. Marks yenye hata inaweza saidia hata hii kijiji kuwa na mabadiliko. Sasa sisi hatufurahii wakati huyu mtoto tunashida na yeye hapa. It's our prayer that if anybody can assist us, tunaweza furahia sana.
We would like to see Jackson continue with his education. He's a boy who is very humble, very disciplined, very determined towards his academics, and I would appeal to the government and any other well-wisher who would come out and assist this boy join his Form 1.
Kwa tu naomba serikali tafadhali, kama mnaweza munisaidia na hawa watoto wangu na vijana watatu tuliachwa na baba yao, na kama mtaweza kunisaidia nitaweza kushukuru. Asante.
If I get to be assisted and go to a good school, go to a university, I will help myself. I will even achieve my dreams, which is being an ironic engineer, so that I can help the nation.
60, 50 na 30. Dokugura. Sawa sawa. Oyo niguo wira Jackson Mucheru na mamu wao makoretwo makiruta gutigirira ati ni makorwo makiona bithi uria metete thiini wa cukuru wa Moi High School Biruri mwena wa Embu thutha wa mwanake gukorwo akigwatira max 422. Riu ni moretie thirikari nene orondo mwena thirikari ya county ya Kiambu kumateithiriria niguo makorwo makiona mbeca icio. Ngiribotera Gikuyu TV, marĩtwa makwa nĩ Mũirũrĩ John Mo.